Alright, hello and welcome back to Unity Noob to Unity Pro. This is episode 1 of season 3. Welcome, all returning, all not returning, you're also welcome. So, this season we're going to be making a top-down 2D game. First off, I want to get this out the way. I'm going to try and have this season be more spread out and not one episode after the other after the other. I'm going to try and get some Nevs play in, some more episodes of the level design series in, so it'll be more spread out and not just constantly Unity Noob, Unity Noob, Unity Noob to Pro. Bam. You see, boom, 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 boom. All right, but the rest of that can wait for the end of the video. Let's just let's jump into it. Not back. Blah. So I don't have a clue how this is gonna go. We're gonna first focus on the movement, obviously, like always. But I don't know. I don't have any. We're gonna be using Unity stuff because I don't have any asset for a top down. I can look for some, but at the moment I don't. So we're gonna use whatever we have here. All right. So first, let's get a sprite. Let's get a knob. We're gonna get a knob up here. We're gonna. First off, what we want is a rigid body 2D. We want the gravity scale to be 0 because basically it's gonna be top down. So it's gonna be this view, right? And our knob or our player is just gonna, if there's gravity, he's just gonna fall down. Yep, he falls, and then we turn this to 0, and boom, he stays. Good knob. All right, so let's play. Let's rename this to player. I'm gonna be cutting out parts that are just the same as like what we've been going over. Like if I'm going over the same code of movement, I'm probably gonna cut it out and just go from there, because I mean, if it's the same thing, then you can just go back to the other video and look at that. But just so it doesn't repeat it, or I don't repeat myself. But let's just that's not important right now. What's important is I already have it. Oh yes, I did. I forgot to tell you, this probably looks weird because like, why is there already script and prefabs? So I went ahead and made this before I started recording, and I just made a scripts folder and prefabs folder. I don't know if we're gonna use the prefabs folder, but I made one anyway. So there's nothing in the scripts folder, but let's add a script. Probably obviously we're gonna add movement. All right, same thing as always. Get the green goop out my face, and we can get started. Oh, I'm gonna have to see. I remember this time, so I'm gonna go over this right now. Sorry if you heard my phone in the background. So basically, if you get an error sign for your class name and the void, what you want to do, I'm saying this also to put it back in my brain, you want to go to player and then scroll down to configuration. Yeah, go down to configuration, API compatibility level, change that to .NET 4.x. Let's get a PNU private. We're going to private float. We're gonna have it be underscore speed. The reason I do underscores, basically I had this Udemy class I followed, and the teacher or instructor said that it's a good practice to use underscores. So like you could just you know, have an underscore, and then there'll be all your variables that you use there, so you don't have to go searching through everything. It's a good tip. So I mean, a new function method. I still don't know if it's a function or method, but we're gonna have a new void move. Alright, so let's get a horizontal. Alright, so never mind, we're gonna do something different. Alright, I'm pretty sure so. I don't think we did it for last 2 seasons, but so what we're gonna do, well, first off, what I didn't do is get my rigid body, and we gotta grab that from start. I'm gonna keep doing private, so we're gonna do private. Then we're going to have a vector, we'll have a vector 3. A vector, why is it all caps? Stop all capping. Vector 3. And we'll name it, yeah, we'll just say input. Private vector 3 input. So what we're going to do in move, is we're going to have underscore in, equal vector 3 dot 0. Yep, that's what it's gonna be, equal 0, and then input dot x. So this is gonna equal input dot x is gonna equal input dot get x is raw. Here's where we're gonna put our code. Horizontal. There we go. And then we'll do that for the y. Alright, so after this, under this, not after this, well, after this and under this. Anyway, under this, what we want to do is we want to, trust me, I remember this. We want to get our rigid body, so rigid body. We want to equal that to a new vector 3. Yeah, I think it should just come back to full circle. New vector 3. And then we want that, right? Is that it? I think it's it. Right? Well, we'll see. We'll see. So we want that to equal our current transform dot position. We want to also have our input. And that's not the input I meant. Yes, that input. And then I'm getting errors, so this is not right. But we will finish this. Input, and then we want speed. Yes, speed. Space type caps lock speed. Then we want to multiply that by time dot delta time. All right, so I think I might need to put this in an if statement actually. Okay. So we want a rigid body dot move position. Okay. So basically, from our first season, our first game, it's the dot move, word, whatever, the function or whatever. It's basically that 2D. I think I did that last game, didn't I? The move position. I couldn't remember. Maybe I did. I don't know. But we want that to equal. All right. Yeah, we don't need this vector 3. This new vector 3. We don't. We just boop. Move the rigid body position. No overload for method move position takes 3 arguments. I don't know what that means. All right, well, I'm gonna have to go on the internet and see why it's not doing that. Oh! I'm supposed to be using plus. There. Plus. Right? What? What do you mean incorrectante? Oh. Well, that was a simple fix. I just had to change the plus to a multiplication sign. Alright. So I think this should work. Let's just get this into our update. And let's see. Everything looks like it's in order. In position. We'll see if it's in order. Okay. It's in order, dude. Let's get it. Alright, there we go. We can move a knob in our scene. There we go. There we go, dude. There we go. Guys, there we go. There we go. Let's jump. What? I'm just kidding. We can't jump. Off screen, on screen, off screen, on screen. We don't need to worry about our camera rotation now. That is awesome. That is awesome. See, well, all we needed to worry about for this game is for the camera to follow the player, like throughout this. What we need. I mean, granted, we're gonna need to have a bigger. Well, I mean, I don't have anything down, so I mean, I don't need anything bigger. But I need to have a bigger play space for my camera, and so that the camera can follow my player. All right. I have a plan what we're gonna do. Now, I don't know if I should do the camera this video or not. See, what I'm thinking is maybe I should just have smaller videos, shorter videos. I should just do one feature at a time. So we did movement. I just can't think, bro. This episode, we did movement, which kind of proud of myself. Look at that, man. Look at that. Granted, I had to look up simple things, but it's fine. Okay, I'm still learning, and get off my back. We got this movement script. My voice is weak. But we got our movement script, and I think that this season is going to consist of shorter videos. That's my final verdict, all right? So the season is going to be more spread out. The episodes are going to be more spread out. The season's going to have shorter videos, and hopefully this is a good choice. All right. Well, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. So next video, we're done now, all right? For this video, we're done. Boom. We got the movement. I might need to fix some things up, like make it nice and all, but so next video is going to be a Nets play, all right? We're going to try and spread things out. That should come out sometime like Monday, possibly, probably, not possibly, probably Monday. So you're gonna have to wait and see what game we. Sorry, you're gonna have to wait and see what game we play. I got an idea what we're gonna play. I'm excited. I haven't ever played the game before. We'll see how it goes. So next video is gonna be Netflix play. The next episode for the season will consist of us getting the camera to follow the player, and probably getting a collider, and maybe some animations. So the next video is probably gonna be a bigger video. But I don't want to have like 20-minute long videos and all. We're just gonna try and cut down just a little bit. We'll just see how I mean, we're just experimenting at the moment. We might go back next season to having longer videos, but at the moment I want to try these shorter videos and see how it goes. But yeah, so I hope season 3 goes well. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I don't got much else to say really. I mean, it's the start of season 3. I've said that plenty of times probably already. We're doing new things, different things. We're changing it up. I keep hitting my pop filter. I hope this is the move. If not, it's fine. We'll go back to the other move, and we'll just keep trying things. So, hope you enjoyed this video. That's gonna conclude my rambling. If you did, please like the video, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. And I hope to see you next video on episode 2 of Nest Play. It's been over a month now, I think, of the last episode. I don't know. I kind of forgot about it, but I also just couldn't find a game. But I have a game now that I think we should start playing. So, yep, there we go. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.